Hi guys, I just finished my Tony Talks spin-off interview with Group Chat. So this is the first ever, it's the pilot episode of Miss Tony's newest spin-off show from Tony Talks. At first, akala ko talaga, it was just like a spin-off show na hindi siya yung mag-host pero created by the same studio that makes her show. Oh my God, when I got there, parang, oh, it's her! Alam mo, oh my God. Literally, nag-fangirl ako. Like, nag-fangirl ako. Ang lala. Like, sobrang low-key. I could not breathe. Tapos, we were wearing pa like similar clothes. Parang, OM. But I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm elated. Like, I wanna show you guys. So, this is what I got from her show. Kay paper bag lang po. Natuwa na po ako. Pero, grabe. I know I'm not gonna be posting this until after the episode. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung talagang real-time reaction ko sa nangyari after the interview. Gusto ko makita nyo that I am eternally grateful. Minanifest ko to 2020 pa. Parang, kasi dalawang tao lang yung gusto kong mag-interview sa akin. Parang, still emotional. Parang dalawa lang kasi sila na parang, that type of personalities on TV na gusto kong mag-interview sa akin, na minamanifest ko. Actually, tatlo sila na gusto ko talaga na minamanifest ko na i-interview ako. Si Miss Tony, of course, D-Boy Abunda, and si Mami Audrey Diaz. So parang sila lang yung parang nakikita ko na, okay, kahit isa man lang, kahit suntok sa buwan. And then when I received this message from the group chat team na parang you get to a chance to be invited for this, at kahit and it was talking about something that was really close to my heart, which is online bullying, which is the entirety of my journey here on social media. And grabe talaga yung opportunity. I am so grateful. I am in my season, Gemini season ngayon. I was there to represent me and Tony. Kaya medyo I don't know if they're gonna include it sa part ng interview, pero naiyak talaga ako. Kasi kayang-kaya ko maging strong, pero para kay Tony, alam niyo naman, he is my weakest link. He is my heart. He is my entire being. So, nung yun na yung pinag-uusapan, parang dun ako medyo, I lost it. But I'm still really grateful to finally have met Rosmar in person, and Rendon Labrador. Like, it was a full circle moment, you know, from when I started on TikTok. And it was a really good, it was a good way. And again, to just be in the same space as Miss Tony, to be asked to just be in that. Parang lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan ko dati, parang na-erase yun lahat. And nothing else mattered except those moments in that studio and my life changing, I feel like. And to remind myself that this journey of mine to feminism, to being soft, to just moving towards the new, it's not even the new me, but the real me na hindi nyo nakikilala before, because of course, mas nagiging nakilala nyo yung pagkamaldito ko. But of course, the 99%, like I said, ongoing at dahan-dahan. And I'm so grateful to Miss Tony for giving me that opportunity to reintroduce myself. And sana may natutunan kayo at may nakita kayong at napulot kayong aral. And again, I'm so grateful. Nasa airport na ako. Ida-drop off na ako. And again, maraming salamat. And I hope you watch the episode of Group Chat produced by Tony Talks. And of course, the Miss Tony Gonzaga. Ingat po!
On social media, if you are able to address it to me personally within that same time frame, pwede naman tayo pagchikaan. And then I always remind him that I love you more than all of the hate you get. And if you choose to be gay, remember that your mom is an ally. And in my case, the more you hit me,
life while healing, you're still living your life every single day, learning, and yung isa sa pinaka nakuha ko sa'yo is a big part of your healing comes with a lot of unlearning a lot of things that were done to you, passed on to you, programmed to you, and yung mga naka-hurt sa'yo. So dito naman tayo.
Good morning, Pilipinas! Dili man kong ngilad og batasan, dili lang kakaangay nga dili ka katarog sa ako. Kay ikaw ang tinuod ngilad og batasan, pero dili ka kahadlukan. Magsigig kag pangdaot sa ako, thinking nga madaot ko, dili besh. ikaw nga mandaot nako, ikaw ang ngilad og batasan. Dili lang kaganahan nga mabuking tika sa kangilad sa imong batasan kay nagpakairon ingnon kang perfect ka. Dili ko plastic, dili ko mo adjust sa kangilad sa imong batasan. Ug iparealize na ko sa mga tao nga ang imong binuhatan ang rason nga dili ka angay butaran. Akong balikon. Dili ko ngilad og batasan. Kay between me and you, mas daghan kog natabangan. Kaya nako barugan ang tanan nakong binuhatan. So ikaw ang angay maguol, kay ikaw ang tagilid, ikaw ang pildihonon, ug dili ka dapat patulan. Ingat!
Unsaon man ang gwapa o gwa kay dala. Mao ginay akong prinsipyo kada manerbisyo ko og disaster. Kay dili lang man ni karon nga katalagman nga una kong niabot. Dako kay ko pasalamat sa pagsalig ni Miss Ken sa akoa. Kay kung wala siya ni message sa akoa sa Facebook, dili na ako maabtan ang barangay Bagtik. Mauni ang kinatumyang barangay sa San Remigio. Kung wala siya nag-post nga nanginahanglan silag tabang, dili ko makaabot diri. Kung ang importante, niabot ko ug na ako'y gidala nga nakatabang sa ilaha bisan unsa kagamay. Kaysa oras sa katalagman, dili man imong kagwapa ang kinahanglan sa mga taong nalinugan. Ingat!